Recycling Trash Compactor by KRUSHR. Next up is the KRUSHR K012 12-inch Recycling Trash Compactor. This is one very powerful device that offers a more elegant appearance than many of the other compactors that you will find today. Even though an extremely powerful device, the machine comes with energy-efficient modules installed to help you save on your electricity bill. The door of the device is made from a high-quality stainless steel material that would allow it to blend in with your stainless steel kitchen sink and appliances. The product also offers separate compactor areas and will fit into the majority of under-counter areas where installation may be required. The product features Hypercrush Compaction technology, which means it can crush trash at a much better level than some of the competitor devices that are available. Furthermore, it should also be noted that the KRUSHR K012 12-inch recycling trash compactor features silent operation. This means no more extremely annoying noises once you activate the machine to start compressing or crushing your trash. A power module comes pre-installed in the device, making it much easier to connect it to a power source and to start compressing your trash.